We can speed up our website using this. Here we can add some text or just leave it empty. All this was done in VS Code using JavaScript. Imports like these are getting messy. But here is a solution to that. Add in JSON file those lines of code. Now you can remove nested dots and replace it with alias. Everyone wants less code in their projects. For that we need to use advanced JavaScript. It's called ternary operators. Let's see 3 different examples how to use them. Question mark indicates if it is true, and column if it's not. Double and symbol means that both are true. Bang in front means if it's not true. Those examples are about it's raining or not. It depends on now what we need to do. Sometimes we are working with huge files. But how can we scroll up and down fast? VS Code added a new feature called Sticky. Open Settings and type in Search Sticky. Check this box, then try scrolling. Easy. Best practice is to code efficiently. Here we need to add variables, but it takes extra time to type all that again. So search extension called TS Quick Fixes. Install it, then use it in your project. Highlight text, then click Control dot or Command dot.
Extension, not very popular, really handy, use it all the time, and you hit Command period, and that will give you the quick fixes. It says add missing property, boom, it'll scaffold out all the properties that you need, and it's your job just to go and fill them on out.
I want to select all division classes in this HTML file. How can I do that? Well, it's easy. Select one of them then. Click Ctrl D. Now you've selected multiple classes. Any changes to one applies to all of them. It also called multiple cursor. You can do this also with hold Alt button and click left mouse button. Let's see some emit power in HTML. Nest HTML elements using emit, then hit enter. Type and search developer roadmaps. Learn coding with this nice roadmap. Here are front-end and back-end roadmaps too. Check this out. How cool is that? Some useful Chrome extensions. Use those extensions if you are a developer. My favorite one. Automation is a future of mankind. Here is modern useful tool to automate web tasks. It's called Automa. We can install Chrome extension too. Let's watch an introduction video. That's all for this year. Happy New Year to you all.